Hey awesome learners, welcome to Smart Tools. In this series of videos, we are covering OpenCV Tutorials. Okay, so in this part, we are going to explore how to read and show image with OpenCV. Okay, so how we can read a image and show that image with OpenCV. For that, what we have, OpenCV have provided us is imread method that we will use to read a image. Okay, to read a image we are going to use imread function, and to show a image I have to show that image using imshow function. Okay, after that these are the main methods what we are going to do. OpenCV just imread and imshow. Imread for reading the image, imshow for showing the image. Okay, the next is wait key. Wait key 0 means it will wait till the next key is hit, and after that cv2 dot destroy all windows. After you hit any key, then it will destroy all the windows. For that, cv2 dot destroy all windows, it will destroy all the windows that is being created using OpenCV. Okay, so let's view the full code. First we have imported OpenCV, then we have load the image as input.jpg, then we have show the image using imshow, then we have waited for the next key to press wait key of 0, then we have destroyed our windows. Okay, this is our full code. Let me just copy the code. Let me first this is what in this tutorial what we are going to explore. Okay, so for first I am going to create a folder named OpenCV. Okay, I have created a open folder named OpenCV. Then I will right click and I will create a new text document. I will name it as OpenCV read so .py. Okay, and I will delete all the text. Okay, now let me open this in my code. Okay, you can edit it using any other IDE, but I will use Visual Studio Code for editing any code. Okay, okay, now my Visual Studio Code is being opened and this is my function. This is my file, and I am just going to copy the lines of codes and I am going to paste it over here. Okay, okay, so I have discussed what the line, and the missing part is input.jpg. Input.jpg, we have not given input.jpg. Let me just take a dog picture from here. Okay, I have found a dog image. Just let me copy that. Okay, just let me, this is here, let me move to here and rename it as input.jpg. Input. Fine, let me just run my code. Python, file name is OpenCV readshow.py. Sorry, I have not saved the file. That's why it don't show anything. So let me just save that file first. I have saved the file. Now I can compile the file. Okay, wow. Now this is showing the image what we have. inputted. Okay, that's all for today. Now, thank you for watching.